In this video, we're going to be going over custom scripted posts and the advanced posting page and how to submit a request for one of these custom scripted posts. So a custom script it's created for post processors that require features or parameters to be output in the program that's not natively supported in the software. This can be something like in a CAN cycle for drilling, something like peck tapping, or a drilling cycle that uses a variable peck depth, or custom look ahead, smoothing functions, parameters that we don't have control in the software. And the custom script is going to give you an interface in the software that we call an advanced posting page, where you can define these parameters and control the output of the program from BobCAD. Some other examples of scripts can be for machines using drill banks, or if you have multiple heads or tables on your machine that you need to post the code in a specific way that's not supported in the software. These can also be accomplished using advanced posting. And in these advanced posting pages, you have a variety of different possible controls. These can be checkboxes, combo boxes, or just text and number boxes to input parameters. And these posting pages can be applied on the operation level or overhead on the entire job level, or even on specific toolpaths. So drilling cycles, profiling, or multi-axis features can have their own advanced posting page. Now, if there's a functionality that you would like to have added to your post that might require a custom script or an advanced posting page, you can submit your request to support@bobcad.com or give us a call at this number here. And when you make your request, you're going to need some information. Make sure you provide a description of the functionality that you need and how you plan on implementing this functionality with the software and how you plan on using it in the machine. This will give us an idea of how to set up the advanced posting page or determine if you need an advanced posting page. In addition to that, we'll need a sample program showing how this needs to be implemented into the G-code. And then of course with that we'll need a description of the different G&M codes used in that output. And if you have a programming manual, it should have all this information, so you can go ahead and submit that with your request as well. And finally, we'll need the post processor that you're requesting to have this functionality added to. Now, the post processor can be found by opening up your file wizard and head over to this PC and then select the driver that you have BobCAD installed on. By default, it'll be on the C drive, but if you have it installed on a different driver, go ahead and select that drive. And then find the BobCAD-CAM data folder and the version of BobCAD that you're using. And your posts will be found under the post folder, and then you'll just select the type of machine that your post is for. Once you have all that information, go ahead and email that over to support@bobcad.com, and that covers how to request a custom script for your post processor.